Hey, I'm Arvin Lewis and I sell real estate. I'm going to tell you a secret. I'm going to tell you a secret. Come on, listen up, listen up. I'm going to tell you it's quick. It's going to be quick. So, a couple of years ago, my water heater gave up. It's 20-year-old house, so it did its due. And it gave up. And I called my plumber, regular guy. I've been using him for a couple of years. When I talk to my clients and they need plumber, that's the one I call. So yeah, it's he came out today because my garbage disposal gave up. Again, 21 years in this house, it gave up. It didn't want to do anymore. And I also had a faucet that was giving up. It was kind of, I should have replaced it already, but I wasn't really thinking about it. Anyway, so it's my regular plumber. He came out, he fixed this stuff, and when it was time to wrap it up, we called my warranty company, the homeowner's warranty company, and they paid him. They paid him right there. Johnny on the spot. Took about 5-10 minutes for them to take the information on how much it costs to make this repair, and they paid him. Now the secret that I'm going to tell you is when my plumber was walking out the door, same plumber that did my water heater a couple of years ago, he's like, Arvin, that's a really good warranty company. I need that number. My plumber that does the plumbing for me and all of my clients, he says, I need that number. That's my secret. You want to know what that number is? Because they really do pay. They're a good company. You get to call the plumber. You get to call the AC technician. You call the people that you want. You don't have to wait on them to send someone in a couple of days. They come right now, today, and they get paid today, same day. So even my plumber says, that's a good company. I need that number. So I gave him. You want me to give it to you? You want it? You want it? You got to call. No, I'm kidding. It's Achosa. You get to choose your technician to come to your house, and the warranty company pays them same day. No problems. Now, it may not be able to get you, I don't know, a Jenn-Air stove right off the top, but yeah, they pay the same day and they fix it right away. Achosa, Achosa Home Warranty. Tell them I sent you.